Okay, so we've given this about 10 to 15 minutes to set up here, and it has hardened here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to use my 6-inch blade right here just to shave away any high spots or any rough edges, so that when I go to skim, those won't get into my mud. And there's not much here because I skimmed so tight on the first coat. So that's going to be my sanding there. Now I'm just going to come over here and just do this one here. Come up here. Okay, so it's not perfectly smooth. There is some indentures and there's some bubbles that are caused for when the joint pound comes through the MS shape, but it's fine. It's not like an air pocket that is stuck behind the paper tape. So now I'm going to come back here, and this is the mud that has dried onto my hawk here, and as you can see, it has hardened here. So we're just going to say this is it. So it's basically like concrete here, and it just works great for like these mud jobs where there's big cracks in the wall. So I'm gonna put that in there and just clean off the hawk here. And it's very important to clean your tools in between coats here, because this stuff does dry hard, and if it dries onto your blade, it's just going to create lines in like your mud, which you don't want. Okay, so this mud pie has been on this table here for like 20 minutes now, so we really have to work fast now, because this stuff will just set on like its own in like a half hour. So we'll just bring this to the middle here. And since we've let this sit on the board much longer than the first coat or the first batch, this is definitely going to start to set up a lot quicker. Just probably like a few minutes faster than the first batch. So just like an estimate is to give yourself probably like 5 to 7 minutes with this here. So I'm just going to transfer this to the hawk. Once again, we're going to wipe the board clean here, so that when this dries, it'll just dry to a smooth surface. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here, and once again, I'm going to grab my 12-inch trowel here, and I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to reorganize it on the hawk here. So I'm going to go up, and then turn it counterclockwise, and end with the tip of the blade coming down like that. Okay, give it a little shake and extend it, and it's like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to load up 2 half circles there, come here, and lay that down. Now you just want to go just that far with the first blade, with the first swipe, and then I'm going to come back into it here. And what I'll do is I'll just turn that around there and grab the opposing end there. Put that in the middle of that, come back here, and go down with it. Now you can see that there's a chunk in the mud, but that's fine there. So I'm going to put that to a ball there. Come over here, and once again, just load up 2 half circles there. In the corner here, I'm going to clean this off. And then I'm going to load up the backhand here. So it's like that. Come into the corner and go down with it. Cleans that off there. Now I'm going to come here, and that borrows mud there. And I'm going to work it into the corner and give it a little jiggle. And then come down with it like that there. Now I'm just gonna skim tight. And that's what comes off there. Same thing in the corner here. I'm just gonna come down, grab some mud there, work it into the corner and give it a little jiggle. Come across like that. Now, if you have any like rough edge lines here, you can just take those away like that. So that there aren't any there. This looks fine. There's a little bit here. So like that. So that's no big deal right here. Now there are fish eyes. There are little holes in this. It's fine. Just leave them. The next coat will take care of that. So gonna organize that there, and we're gonna come up here, and we're gonna roll this one here. Clean that off there. I'm going to clean this off here and then load up the backhand here. Bring it to like, I don't know, like an inch away from the wall and come across there. Now I still have mud here, so I'm going to bring it just a little bit closer and do like a wiggle and then bring it back past. Okay, so I'm going to clean that off there. There's some in the corner here. So now I'm just going to do one hard swipe there. That's what comes off there. I'm going to come over here. Same thing in the corner here. I'm going to go down it. That gives me mud there. But I can place, work it into the corner there. And come down with it. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that right there. There's a little bit there, I'll just take care of that. So this is what's left there from that mud pie. And this has 2 coats there now. So you definitely want to do like your first 2 coats with this setting type of mud, and then like your last coat just with the all-purpose. It just gives it more structural strength. So that's it for now.